One little bunny hopping in the sun, two little birds having so much fun, three tiny turtles crawling by the tree, four little fishes swimming in the sea, five busy bees buzzing near the hive, six little kittens happy and alive, seven shiny stars twinkle up so high, eight colorful balloons float in the sky, nine funny monkeys swinging in the tree, 10 happy children count along with me. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, counting numbers is so sweet. Let's count together.